people, Ibotta Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we are going to do the food storage container update. I had purchased the Mainstay food storage container set. It is a 6-pack of containers. And what I needed some containers for my husband's lunch that were not going to leak and that were not going to stain. I had been using containers that I have, and actually they weren't quite working very well because my husband has a lunchbox and I wanted it to not leak in the lunchbox. So from time to time we were having some food leakage, which is a major problem in a lunchbox, okay? So the Richard would not have food storage leaking problems while he's at work. I needed something that was going to be a little more airtight. I had actually purchased some glass containers that had this style locking system, but they were glass, so I didn't want him to carry glass to work. I had 2 of the Rubbermaid Brilliance containers. I don't know if you guys have ever seen those before. Those, I only had 2. But I was gonna purchase those again, but a larger quantity, but I happened to see these on the shelf and it was just this one box. Now this was priced $14.92. And I thought this was a better value because of the amount of containers that I'm actually getting. Now, 2 of the containers I can't show you because my husband has them with him, but that's okay. But I'm gonna show you this very large one. This is like the largest size. And what it is, there is a seal that is rubber that is inside the actual lid. So it sits down on the container. And once you get it on there, it snaps into place, as you guys can see, okay? So that's what's keeping it from leaking. And what my husband did, now let me say this. The Brilliance, I believe, I wanted to pop up a picture, but the picture, I can't find the exact one that I seen in Walmart. But at any rate, the Brilliance, the Rubbermaid Brilliance were more expensive, okay? I was getting less containers for a higher price. The Mainstay brand, I was willing to try it because it has the Triton technology, which is supposed to keep it from doing certain things, the shattering, the staining, and things of that nature. So it's shatter resistant and able to withstand freezer storage. I wasn't getting it for that. I was getting it for my husband's lunch, okay? But my husband did take an item that I was for sure was going to stain, which was buffalo wings, okay? So you're basically sitting in the refrigerator overnight, sitting in the refrigerator when he gets to work, then he's microwaving it. Surely after that, it's going to stain, okay? No, it did not stain. Now, let me tell you what it did do. A little bit of the buffalo juice got underneath the rubber, okay? But that was not a big issue. But when I just put it in the dishwasher and I was washing it in the dishwater, I'm sure I could put them in the dishwasher, but I didn't put it in the dishwasher, okay? Yeah, it says it's stain and leak proof airtight seal, okay? So, I just wanted to see how it was gonna do. So I ended up to get rid of that little juice that I seen. It almost looked like a little bit of the juice went up under the rubber, because you see how it's clear and you can see the rubber. I could still see a little orange under there. So I just took a butter knife and I just popped up a little piece of the rubber and then I pulled it out. I didn't do a lot of stretching it and all that. I cleaned it, cleaned the rubber, cleaned the lid, let them dry, and then I popped it back in. And it just fit right back down in there and it was good to go. So, of course, that was his first time putting buffalo wings in it, but it didn't stain, guys. So that was my main thing, and it didn't leak. He hasn't complained of any leaking, so there's no for the leaking, no for the staining so far. So hopefully it's going to be a good product. I would recommend it. I would probably go and buy another pack just so I can have more. Might even be considered to look online and see if I can get more of a specific size. I might even check into that. Yeah, but guys, I give it a Ibotta Crystal thumbs up. I give it a thumbs up, guys. I think it was a good product. So if you guys have purchased this mainstay product before, please let us know in the comments below the video. I'm sure the lovely people will be interested because I'm interested to know. I'm gonna also go online and see if I can actually maybe purchase some different sizes. I'm curious to see that, just so we both will have a variety of choices for our lunch, guys. Oh, and I also want to give a thank you to all you guys that showed support on our video where this Saturday, where my husband and I, we made a French toast. Okay, we made French toast on Saturday. And we did announce that we are going to start our channel, Rich and Chrissy Show. So we are going to do our YouTube channel. We're definitely going to do it, guys. We appreciate you guys so very much. All your comments, all your thumbs ups. And we are so happy that we made you guys laugh. My husband is a nut, okay? You just have to know him. He makes me laugh all the time. But we love to, we just love to pick. We love to pick. If we're not picking with each other, we think something wrong. All right, guys, that is it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.